What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to add another recipient to WorldRemit transfers, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So how to add a recipient to WorldRemit transfer. So how to change recipient details. This is so basically through the laptop or computer. You can actually look for the My Account section, click on the expand and select My Transaction option. Transfer in progress will be located at the top of the page. Select the transfer if you want to change. This will take you to a different screen. Select the Need to Change Something link that's available towards the middle of the page. If your transfer isn't in the right status, you'll get a message that says you cannot change anything for this transaction. If your transfer can be edited, so basically this is how to change recipient. So if you want to send money from your WorldRemit app to somebody else, so as you can see, we are just gonna find one. So how do you receive, how to send money from this? So as you can see, we actually do not have how to add recipient. So it answers the question is in the wallet app. Select one of the current accounts to use. Select transfer. Select a new or existing. Basically, let's find this answer. So basically, as you can see, it is probably not available. We are having, if you want to send to someone else, select transfers, then select new or existing recipient, enter the amount and select the preferred way to pay them. So as you can see, you cannot actually send money to two persons. You can send only one amount of money per transfer to one person. If you want to send the same amount of money to the two persons, you need to make two separate transfers. You cannot add two people to one transfer. So basically that's the answer to your question. I tried to find the answer for you, but as you can see, it is not able to do it. You can just send two transfers to two persons. So basically one transfer per person. So hopefully this solved some of your problems. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video. Goodbye.